Now, I will show you how it's possible this type of creating image. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Then click first one. Logging with Google account. Then continue. Create profile. Start creating. Then paste for prompt here. Type what you want here. You can get these prompt in description. Set aspect ratio. Then hit generate. Wait, it will take some time to generate. It is loading. Look the created design. Right-click then download image.